Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this, a good portion. Look at the sea salt, saffron roasted pistachios. It's got sea salt, it's got saffron. Saffron is one of the most expensive seasoning spices that you can get. Check that out. Pistachios, here's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read that, pause the video. And let's do a quick taste test. So saffron's the last ingredient, of course. But yeah, saffron is worth its weight in gold. So that is what they look like. The unfortunate part is that it smells nice. It smells like pistachios. They should have unshelled them before they did this, but it's good. I don't really taste saffron in there. It's probably such a minor amount that I don't really taste it. To me, it just tastes like salted pistachios. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. I really don't know how much saffron to actually put in this thing.